Ready to take your new MacBook Pro or MacBook Air out for a spin? Great, but you're not finished shopping yet. Here are the add-ons that will make your life on the road and in the office easier. No MacBook is an island. While your Apple laptop makes you a productivity powerhouse all by itself, you need some additional hardware to make the most of it, whether it's a MacBook Pro or a MacBook Air, running on the classic Intel or new Apple M1 silicon. After all, having just Thunderbolt 3 USB Type-C ports in the late models of these iconic machines can mean you need some extra gear to work around their minimalist nature. Hi everyone, Hani Habi here. Welcome to another video. I have collected a variety of MacBook accessory options that'll save you time and avoid frustration, or even disaster. Check them out below. If you're interested specifically in a larger connectivity solution in the form of a MacBook-optimized docking station, I have a guide to the favorite MacBook docks here. The best USB Type-C to A adapter that you can buy is the Nanda Usbc to USB adapter. While there are many benefits to the Thunderbolt 3 ports on modern MacBooks, backward compatibility with thumb drives and other traditional USB devices isn't one of them, unless you buy an adapter. The Nanda Usbc adapter is a widely popular solution for MacBook owners. The alloy-cased space gray adapter matches the aesthetics of modern Macs and allows data transfer speeds up to 5 gigabits per second. Inexpensive adapters like these are must-have accessories, unless you've somehow replaced every single USB Type-A device in your life with a USB-C equivalent. The best USB-C hub you can find is the Anker 8-in-2 USB-C hub. You can avoid the need to use multiple adapters if you pick up a single USB Type-C hub with multiple ports. The Anker 8-in-2 USB-C hub, selling for $69, plugs into your laptop's 2 Thunderbolt 3 ports to give you 8 connectivity options: 1 multifunction USB-C port, 1 USB-C data port, 2 USB-A ports, 1 HDMI port, 1 SD card slot, 1 microSD card slot, and a Lightning audio port. The HDMI port delivers 4K resolution to an external monitor at 30 Hz, and the multifunction USB-C port can drive a 5K external monitor at 60 Hz. This one is really worth the $69 you pay for it. And the best wireless charging dock for Apple accessories is the Mophie 3-in-1. If you've jumped headfirst into the Apple ecosystem, you might appreciate a way to make your MacBook Pro or Air, iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch work together seamlessly. A Qi-compatible wireless charging pad such as the Mophie 3-in-1, selling for almost $140, will fast charge your iPhone, AirPods, and Apple Watch via a single platform covered in premium ultrasuede fabric that prevents scratches to your expensive Apple products. Engineered to deliver up to 7.5 watts of power to your iPhone, the pad can charge through lightweight phone cases up to 3 millimeters thick. It has dedicated spots for your Apple Watch and AirPods, letting you use the former in nightstand mode. And the best USB-C external SSD is the WD Black P50 Game Drive Portable External SSD. External data storage is more important than ever thanks to massive video files and high-res photos. While cloud storage solutions are ideal for most people, sometimes you just need to have a local storage option when Wi-Fi or broadband internet isn't available. The 500 GB or 1 TB version of the WD Black P50 Portable External SSD is a solid-state drive the size of a business card, yet it delivers data transfer speeds as high as 2,000 megabytes per second. This external drive is ideal for mobile professionals and outdoorsy types because of its rugged aluminum construction. As the name suggests, the WD Black P50 Game Drive is also compatible with modern consoles such as the PS5. And the best USB-C battery pack is the RAV Power PD Pioneer 20,000 mAh 60-watt portable charger. Ever been traveling with your MacBook and needing to finish an important assignment with a battery that's nearly dead and no power outlets in sight? After the first time it happens, you'll learn to carry a USB-C portable battery pack like the RAV Power PD Pioneer 20,000 mAh 60-watt portable charger. This device has 1 power delivery port and 1 quick charge port, so you can charge your laptop and phone simultaneously. Its 60-watt power delivery output means it can charge your Apple laptop just as efficiently as the original charger, bringing a 13-inch MacBook Pro to 60% charged in just an hour. Alternatively, its high capacity means it can charge an iPhone 11 Pro Max from empty to full 2.6 times before draining. The best portable external monitor is the Asus Sunscreen MB16 ACE. Macs have always been essential work equipment for multimedia pros, but serious video and still image editing typically requires two displays. This is where a portable monitor like the Asus Sunscreen, selling for almost $230, is worth every penny. This 15.6-inch Full HD 1920p by 1080p display features an IPS panel with wide viewing angles, a blue light filter, and flicker reduction technology to minimize eye fatigue during prolonged use. The monitor senses whether it's in landscape or portrait orientation and weighs just 1.5 pounds with its smart case and stand and cable. And the best wireless mouse is the Logitech Mx Master Iii. Apple's MacBook trackpads are famous for delivering some of the best touchpad experiences of any laptops. Unfortunately, Apple's track record with external mice has been hit or miss. The Logitech Mx Master Iii isn't the smallest or lightest Bluetooth mouse for macOS, but this is one of the best mice you can buy in terms of ergonomics, controls, customization, and tracking sensitivity. Logitech's Darkfield 4000 DPI sensor means this wireless mouse works on virtually any surface, even a glass table at a fashionable coffee shop. Usbc quick charging means the battery inside the Mx Master Iii will last an entire workday after charging for only 3 minutes. If you let the battery charge completely, then Logitech claims this mouse will keep working for up to 70 days. The best USB-C car charger is the Anker Powerdrive Speed Plus. Just about every Apple road warrior needs a way to charge their MacBook Pro while on the road. Consider a USB-C car charger like the Anker Powerdrive Speed Plus. This 2-port charger can charge USB-C laptops, phones, and tablets with up to 30 watts, while its PowerIQ 2.0 port delivers full-speed charging for USB-A devices. And the best true wireless earbuds is the Apple Airpods Pro. While Apple's diminutive wireless AirPods have been a runaway hit for use with the iPhone, they're just as useful for MacBook owners. These convenient earbuds connect to your laptop or smartphone via Bluetooth and deliver up to 5 hours of listening time on a charge. I like their upgraded Pro version better though. For $249, the AirPods Pro offer customizable fit, sweat and water resistance, and active noise cancellation. And the best Bluetooth speaker is the Untitled Angle 3 Ultra. A Bluetooth speaker might seem like another iPhone accessory rather than something for your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air, but the reality is that audiophiles are going to want something better than the laptop's built-in stereo speakers. Check out the 4th generation Untitled Angle 3 Ultra Bluetooth portable speaker by Cambridge Soundworks if you're looking for impressive sound quality in a mobile-friendly speaker that will survive drink spills at the office or the occasional drop from your bag. The latest iteration of the Angle 3 Ultra speaker delivers better clarity at maximum volume, ideal for office conference calls or parties, and its IPX7 fully waterproof certification means this speaker can handle a rainy day with no problem. The 9-ounce speaker can play for up to 20 hours on a charge and fits in your car's cup holder. And the best MacBook charger is the Satechi 75W Dual Type-C PD travel charger. Apple has stopped including chargers with new iPhones in an effort to reduce carbon emissions and the mining and use of precious materials. Now that MacBooks can be charged over USB-C, it's only a matter of time before Apple stops including chargers with MacBooks as well. The Satechi 75W Dual Type-C PD travel charger allows you to charge your MacBook Pro or MacBook Air and a USB-C smartphone at the same time thanks to 2 USB-C PD ports, one 60-watt and one 18-watt. If you're still using legacy devices that charge over USB-A, this charger also includes 2 USB-A ports that charge at 2.4 amps. And after buying a MacBook, you need of course a really good insurance policy. So, that's why I have also included it in this review. So, the best insurance policy you need is the AppleCare Plus. This might sound like an odd addition to our list of MacBook accessories, but the reality is that accidents happen with mobile electronics. While AppleCare Plus isn't the kind of option you're going to use every day, it just might be the most valuable addition to your laptop in the event of a drop or an electrical surge. New MacBook Pro and Air models come with 90 days of complimentary technical support and 1 year of hardware repair coverage through Apple's limited warranty. AppleCare Plus for Mac extends your coverage to 3 years and adds 2 incidents of accidental damage coverage, each subject to a service fee of $99 for screen or enclosure damage or $299 for other damage. You'll also get 24/7 phone and chat access to Apple tech support experts. So, that was it guys. I hope you enjoyed watching this video. Please do not forget to subscribe, it's totally free, and all the links are in the description. See you next time.